JET variable speed wood lathe allows you to perform a variety of functions for your wood turning projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to turn a spindle by shaping a piece of wood into a candle holder. Before turning on your lathe, be sure to remove all jewelry and that any loose hair is pinned back. Lay out the centers on both ends of the piece of wood by drawing lines diagonally from corner to corner. Take your spur center and locate the center of the wood and seat the spur center into the piece with a hammer. Now engage the tailstock into the center and lock the tailstock down into position on the bed. Turn the hand wheel to engage the tailstock spindle until it's adequately tight. Tighten down the tailstock lever and the quill lock. Be sure to use an adequate length tool rest for the type of work you're going to be doing. Select the appropriate speed range for the size of the workpiece you're turning, and adjust the actual speed with your RPM selector. Next, turn the lathe on and ensure your piece of wood is balanced. Once it's balanced, begin turning the piece to start forming your desired shape. Periodically, lay your tool on the wood piece to ensure it's not jumping. Continue readjusting the tool rest as close to the piece as possible to ensure it supports the cutting tool. In this example, we'll start with a 3/4 inch spindle roughing gouge and then move to a 1/2 inch bowl spindle gouge. Create or trace lines on the piece to cut it into the appropriate ratios for the apex of curves. At a low RPM, apply the tool against the piece with slow movements and light, consistent pressure. Be sure to work from larger depth of cut sections to smaller depth of cut sections. You may need to change the tool rest out to a smaller one to get into tighter and smaller spots. Periodically sharpen your chisels while you're turning. Learn more about the JET variable speed wood lathe on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.